Hi, this is Mr. Nazarian. Our learning objective today, I can divide fractions presented on a line plot. 5th grade standard, measurements and data, B2. Okay, so now we're going to look at dividing fractions. This particular one is dividing a whole number by a fraction, but we're going to use a line plot to solve this problem. So, here we go. We're going to start off with our line plot, and I've created this line plot to show we're going to start off at 0 here, and each one of these lines here is going to represent 1. So I'm going to label it as such. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the end is 6. Okay, so I want to show what my dividend looks like using the entire line plot. So this entire line plot represents my dividend. And now what I want to do is I want to create groupings of 2/3 and then find how many groups of 2/3 there are in 6. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to divide up each of these sections into thirds. So I'm going to just kind of eyeball about. So you can see from 0 to 1 here I have 1, 2, 3 sections. So I've divided that into thirds. Do the same thing here, dividing that into thirds, and so on all the way down the line plot. Dividing it into thirds. Okay. So now, green. So now I have all these thirds, right? But remember, I don't want to find how many groups of 1/3 there are in 6. I want to find out how many groups of 2/3 there are in 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 0, and I'm just going to hop, skip, and jump my way all to 6 by 2/3. So I went here, you can see this from 0 to 1/3, 2/3 to 2/3, and I'm going to skip over that 1/3 to here. So now again I've gone 1, 2/3. Each one of these lines represents a third now, right? So from here to here, this is another 2/3. From here, I'm going to skip over that one to here is 1 2/3, right? So I'm just going to keep going. 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, and I've landed right on the 6. So now I'm just going to see how many times did I have to hop, hop, hop 2/3 until I landed on the 6. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you can see there are 9 groups of 2/3. Each one of these is 2/3 of space. So the answer to 6 divided by 2/3 equals 9. And that's what dividing with fractions on the line plot looks like. All right, we'll work more on this tomorrow. See you then.